sun and the flame, written in the unlimited power of your name. Do not deny your reward. Abundance flows, it's not too hard. Don't think the limit is within you. It fades away when you see that it's not true. Let it go, now you are free. The fear you had is in the past. Unlimited, you are. Unlimited, you are. You have learned the ways of fear and doubt. Now is the time to turn it off. Insecurity, you have let it grow, but self-confidence will help you flow. Turn your thoughts from dark to light. Change your way, your destiny